Hey there, I'm Polina, your favorite e-commerce queen. I've helped thousands of new sellers build profitable dropshipping stores from scratch. But today, I'm going to tell you something that most gurus will never admit out loud. Let's get honest for a second. Everyone's talking about how easy dropshipping is. Just launch a store and voila, you're rich. Sounds familiar, right? Well, I've got news for you. That's not the whole story. There's an ugly truth about dropshipping that people should really know upfront, but no one talks about it. So, what's the truth? The truth is, even with the best system in the world, you still have to make decisions. Yes, still need to think. No, you won't be packing, boxing, or cold calling suppliers. But you can't go completely on autopilot from day one. The first thing you need to figure out is which tasks you want to handle yourself and which ones you're going to hand off to someone you trust. Because there are two main things that are make or break your store: your product, your marketing strategy. If you mess this up, or worse, ignore them, your business will flop. Period. Let's break it down. Every sale you'll ever make starts with the right product. But here's the problem. If you try to do all of this yourself, you'll have to research reading products, test dozens of ideas, vet suppliers, and avoid the scammy ones. Decide your product kind, solo hit, niche store, general store. Consistently update your catalog. Sounds exhausting, right? And if you don't do it right, you'll be stuck with a beautiful store with zero sales. Cheap or outdated products no one wants. Pages that don't convert. Customers who don't come back. No product, no profit. But here's the good news. You don't have to do this yourself. That's where Sellvia comes in. Sellvia offers pre-selected, ready-to-sell product packages all inside your dashboard. Every product has been handpicked, tested, and optimized to sell. Let me show you on a few of my favorites. Brand product packs. Iconic names are real profits. These packs feature global powerhouse brands right in your store, including Nike, Dolce& Gabbana, Armani, and more. You're not building trust from scratch. The reputation is already there. Customers recognize the names, feel confident buying, and are willing to pay top dollar. This means faster conversions, fewer objections, and significantly impressive profit margin. So let's take a look. Dolce& Gabbana jeans. Stylish, exclusive designer jeans and patchwork jacquard. A luxury item with massive appeal. Luminex Swiss watch. 42 mm stainless steel beauty. Water resistant, always visible. Swiss quality is always in demand. New Balance suede sneakers. Classic, timeless, ultra comfortable. A bestseller for fans of casual and active wear alike. Your profit? $172. With this packs, you're not just drop shipping, you're building a high-end brand that screams quality. High-ticket product pack. Big products, bigger profits. Go big or go home. Let's take that literally. Because when you sell high ticket products, you don't need dozens of small orders to make a serious income. Just a few well chosen items can generate thousands in profit per sale. Nordic luxury bed frame with storage. Minimalist elegance with practical built in storage. A favorite among home design lovers. Large wooden cat tower. Perfect for big cats. Multi level, durable, stylish. Pet lovers love this one. LED flame lamp heater combines style and utility. Beautiful, cozy lighting with powerful heating. This pack is perfect if you want to work smarter, not harder, and scale quickly with favored transactions and significantly more revenue. Amazon Hits Pack. Proven winners, zero guesswork. Want to skip the testing and go straight to bestsellers? This pack is built from real Amazon bestsellers, meaning you're selling what people are already buying every single day. You get trending, high converting products backed by massive search volume and verified demand. Waterproof Bluetooth soundbar with projector light. Impressive 3D sound plus a light show equal party ready product. a top-selling audio peak with strong Amazon demand. Full LED LED mirror, slick design, color-changing LED, and loved by beauty influencers. Your profit $169. Smart Wi-Fi baby monitor with 5 inches display. Peace of mind in HD. Night vision, motion alert, and two-way talk. Your profit $150. These products are already trending on Amazon. Now you can sell them from your own store with your own margins. Now that you've got the right products, how will people see them? If you try to build a marketing funnel solo, it will cost you dozens of hours a week, expensive freelancers, ad testing budgets that may never pay off. But again, you can delegate this. Sellvia gives you ready-made marketing services and tools right inside your dashboard. Here's what I recommend. Social media marketing tool. You get scroll-stopping product posts, captions, hashtags, and visual done for you. Consistent posting templates designed to drive real clicks. You look like a pro even if you've never posted before. Sellvia ads. Sellvia's AI-powered ad system launches campaigns across all major platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and Amazon. No copywriting, no setup stress, no guessing. And the best part? Most users see a 2x to 4x return on ad spend. So what's the ugly truth about dropshipping? It's this. You can't succeed by doing nothing. But you don't have to do everything alone. Pick your role, delegate the rest to the right partner. And that partner, it's Sellvia. Everything you need, products, marketing, automation, is already waiting in your dashboard. All you have to do is decide. So now what? Choose your product packs, brand, high ticket, Amazon Hits, or another one. Turn on your automation tools. Let the system work while you grow. Check the links below this video. Everything is already prepared for you. No more guessing, no more fluff. Just real products, real tools, and real results. And remember, success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing what works. You've got this. Let's build your store the smart way. See you in the next video.